are the names of fruits.
Fruits.
You have to rearrange.
And name the fruit.
I was spoiled.
Which fruit is this?
Coconut.
Alilijua tu. Coconut. Seems like you utanibiti.
Which fruit is
Ginger.
Ginger is not a
Garlic. Not garlic. Sugar. Gasp.
which fruit?
So unasema unapenda matunda.
Pa.
It starts with G.
With G.
And ends with S.
G. Grapes.
That is
2-0. Hey, grapes. Yes.
Hey.
Grapes.
Wow.
which fruit is
Melon.
Hey.
That's melon.
Not melon.
Melon is not a fruit.
Lemon.
Let's see.
Next, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Which fruit is
Avocado.
Avocado. Now spelling. Avocado.
No.
Is it avocado or
Avocado.
Not ever. Avocado.
Yes.
how many?
4.
No, 3, man. Hey, 3.
4.
4-0.
Yes, 4-0.
Wow.
Try to eat fruits.
I'm seeing dust.
Try to eat fruits.
I'm getting this one. Strawberry. No. So that's mine. Strawberry. That's
In fact, it's a strawberry, not strawberry.
Another one. This one you will be sharp because it's an easy one. Be very ready. Which fruit is this?
Pawpaw. That's mine. That's mine. 2-4. No, you don't come with the pronunciation.
Okay, it's okay.
4-2.
Which fruit is this?
Guava.
That's mine. Yeah, 3 or 3.
You're coming, eh?
I'm coming.
Come back.
Let's go.
Now this one is easy and difficult. You ready to say it fast? Which fruit is this?
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
This.
Nepal play. Apple.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Pineapple. I'm at 7 or 2.
6 bana.
No, 7.
No.
I'm at 7 or 2.
Sawa. I know 2, 3,
No.
4. Actually 4 bana.
No.
I'm 4. Yeah, avocado, guava,
Pawpaw.
3.
3. It's only 3.
Strawberry.
Oh,
Yeah.
4. I'm at 7.
I'm keeping track.
Continue.
Which fruit is this?
This one. Mango. Mango.
Umeniosha hii.
This one is also an easy one. Be ready to say it fast. Which fruit is this?
Orange. Orange, yeah. Orange. Yeah, that's orange.
It's a general.
That's orange. That's 5. Unajua nimegundua huyu mzee anangoja ni pronounce hizo letters.
No.
I'm going to keep silent this time.
Banana. No. I saw that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've rigged.
No.
You've rigged.
Woo.
This is the not actually. This is the
Last but not least.
And to make sure it's 10. It's 10.
Want to recover?
9.
Yes.
9 how many?
9-5.
9-5.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that it's 10.
Which fruit is this?
Apple. Or apple. I made it.
Haiko sawa, it's okay.
I made it.
Okay. Patana juu ya
Try to eat fruits.
bana,
Try to-
I'm